Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back again with an exciting video. It's gonna be really quick unboxing haul video, unboxing review video. So anyways, this is the packing which I arrived today in the morning. This is how it looks like. It's by the brand Myntra. So let's quickly see what I've got. I actually ordered like 2 pairs of footwear a few days back, and one of the footwear arrived today. Okay. I just don't like this flimsy box, but I don't think I'm gonna throw it away. I'm gonna use this because if you have seen my room, I hardly have space to keep things, so I'm gonna keep this keep my footwear in this box. I've got this invoice. Okay, I've got my address in here, so I just do not like. Okay, let me take this out. Oh, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna wear this to work tomorrow. This is how it looks like. Lovely. And the next pair is wow, so amazing quality. I want to buy more footwear. I love buying stuff, you guys. They're so new, lovely, and the price over here says 1,000 rupees, but then I got it only for 400 or for 500. I'm not sure. I'll leave the link in the description down below if you want to buy this. Where this eye looks like. Love it. So nice. Let me try it out. Why not? Okay, let me wear this. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, I'm buying shoes after so long. Shoes and bags makes me so happy. And of course mini skirts. I'm in love. Wow, you guys, this is so beautiful pair. I don't know how to show you guys, but let me try. Okay. Can you see? So beautiful. Like, oh, hold on, you guys. Okay. My god. Super nice. I don't know how to show you. I'm just like, my room is like a huge mess. My phone does not have the option of like switch the, front camera, back camera. I can't switch like that. So I'm showing you like this. Look at this, it's gorgeous footwear. Okay. Oh, oopsies. I'm not sure if you can see. Hopefully you can see. So nice. I'm just so lazy to edit the video, so that's why. I hope you've seen enough. Okay. I love it so much. That's about it for this video, you guys. I know this was a really small video. Really small video. But I'll be back with more videos, you guys. So subscribe on my channel if you want to see more beauty related videos or kind of like vlog videos. Please subscribe. I'll be back with more outfit, more fashion videos. So yeah, bye.